Hello guys, I have updated the game 2 times and it's added quite a bit. You see this weird chicken holding the chainsaw item? Or not the chainsaw, the giant saw. Be quiet, Gun. He's the new, door cleaner. He cleans doors. He removes dust particles and wood shavings which don't actually exist. He just gets paid to distract people. So yeah. Yeah, and there's also, scores to survive 878 seconds in survival mode. And I've obviously beaten the game according to a video I posted before.
I'm the main character, not them.
And of course, you know, I might as well as added him in the guide because, you know, people might not be smart and not know what he does.
I'm the main character, not them.
Okay, Gun, shut up. Anyways, we're going to do survival mode since normal mode's just the same thing as last time. I didn't really change much. Alright, now as you can see there's a timer down there, and then there's no rusty key. There's literally no point in getting these door keys.
To play my phone.
Of course there's the counterfeit quarter. Oh yeah, also Gun goes faster as time goes on, so. Alright. Now let's go see where that new janitor is. Door cleaner janitor. Yeah. Just go in here. You're gonna need lots of rocks. Oh yeah, you can also lean. I never talked about that. You can lean. What the? Oh yeah, that's him.
Remember? No, you're on me.
No.
Who wants to play with me on my new car? Click the button from
No, help me. Rock jump scare. Loser.
Somebody please.
No. I'm gonna use this. No. Someone.
Remember? No, you're on
I don't need that key.
I am the boss of everyone around.
Shut up, delinquent catcher. Haha, I have an anti-spam game essay, so it'll stop you. A counterfeit quarter this time. Secret gate key.
There. Out there, you make a rule and
I got caught.
I took away your interaction permissions.
Help me. Hurry.
There you are! Play my game! Why is everyone avoiding me?
I have to hide from the delinquent catcher after I use that because he'll put you in trouble for bullying. I'm not going to use the rock just yet. Of course. What the? Oh! I got lucky and this is not a counterfeit quarter. Oh my god, I have to survive. Hurry. Hurry. Don't see me. I saw nothing. It's not like I could have came in here. Now if you try to use this, it won't work. It'll say I don't need this. You don't have to...
Don't break any of the rules.
Okay, I'm safe for now. You haven't talked a while, Sagandis.
Who wants to play my fun clicker game?
They're going through here more often, so door cleaner must be here. You can't really tell he's in the game because he barely shows up. Oh, he's not in here.
Remember, I make what makes around here.
Oh, he's here now. Hey there, janitor. I'm gonna camp in here so that way I can show you guys what he does. in a second. Just gotta wait for GunGun to come in here. Alright. Now, he's doing nothing. It'll take about a minute or two. Basically, in survival mode, you can just hide in here because he'll never come in here no matter what. And, yeah, basically, you could cheese it by doing that. So, I don't plan on adding anything to stop that. But if you want to do a world record survival time, record it, or else everybody's going to think you cheated. And it even has a little animation where his saw spins. See? Yeah, it's kind of boring. Finally see what he does in action. Oh, that actually helped me because he can't come over here. Now. He's going to go through that way since this dude's blocking the way. Now he's going through...
Every time you break a rule, I will exchange your
No!
Now remember,
Thank you so much for playing.
I'll walk by. Don't be counterfeit. I swear to gosh if it's counterfeit. Yes, good. He's going faster! Oh my god. I'm so scared. Excuse me. Uh-oh. He's fast as he is, and he's probably a little faster than he is when he's enraged.
I am the boss of everyone around here, so y'all know.
Okay, good. He's probably going all the way to the other side of the map, so I should be safe going into the door room. Oh yeah, but he'll come in there, so.
Who wants to play my fun clicker game?
I'm moving rooms so it doesn't count as camping. I'm making a run for it. Get tricked! Ah! No!
Somebody please play my game! There you are, play my
No!
game! Click the button for more points! Thank you so much for playing!
Help me, please don't hurt me, I'm sorry. Huh? Oh, it's that bug. I need to fix that bug, probably. But he'll be able to tag through walls again. Let's see. There he is right here. Door cleaner will sometimes go to doors and clean them. They don't need cleaning, he just distracts people for money. He will block the player and NPCs during it, listening to annoying music sometimes. So yeah, that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching my video, guys. Shut up, Gun.